Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Helps again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to change your phone number on your Telegram account. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to change the Telegram account number, let's open up our Telegram app first. And after opening a Telegram app, your interface will be similar like to this, where you can see the three-line icon on the top left corner of your screen. Tap on the three-line icon like this, and over here you can see the settings option available over here on the downside of your screen, just above the invite friends option. Tap on settings, and after that you can see all these options available, and under the category of account there is your number. Tap on that number, and you can see there is the change number button available at the bottom of your screen. Tap on change number again, and again tap on change, and after that enter your new number over here like this. And after you tap on the blue icon, on the arrow icon, a text message will be sent to you on your number, and you will be required to enter or fill out that code number sent by the Telegram on the Telegram app itself, and then your number will be changed. And guys, this is how you change your number on your Telegram app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.